Picture this. A hostile radar station deep inside enemy territory suddenly goes dark. No alarms, no warning, just silence. Moments later, a formation of enemy fighters scrambles, but their screens show nothing. Somewhere above, unseen and untouchable, two American aircraft are rewriting the rules of war. One is the B-21 Raider, a bomber so stealthy it's called a ghost. The other is the F-47, a fighter that doesn't just fly. It commands an entire digital army. Together, they form a partnership unlike anything the world has ever seen. This isn't just about speed or firepower, it's about control, deception, and dominance. In this video, we'll uncover how the B-21 and F-47 could make the US Air Force virtually undefeatable. By the end, you'll see why these aircraft aren't just machines, they're the future of global power. The B-21 Raider was born from a simple but terrifying question. How do you strike an enemy who believes they're untouchable? Its answer is invisibility. Every curve of its flying wing design bends radar waves away, making it vanish into the night sky. But the Raider isn't just a bomber, it's a shapeshifter. One mission, it drops precision weapons. The next, it becomes an electronic warfare platform or a stealthy intelligence hub. The F-47, meanwhile, was designed for dominance. Where the B-21 slips past defenses, the F-47 ensures no enemy fighter dares to follow. Its philosophy is simple: see first, strike first, and never be seen. Together, they embody America's doctrine of reach and control. One is the silent dagger, the other the shield that ensures the dagger always finds its mark. Imagine a bomber lifting off from the American heartland and striking a target on the far side of the globe, without ever being detected. That's the B-21 Raider. Its intercontinental range means no enemy is out of reach. And when it arrives, it doesn't come alone. The F-47, with its adaptive engines, can supercruise across oceans, supported by America's tanker fleet. Unlike older fighters, it doesn't just sprint into battle. It endures, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Together, they erase the limits of distance. The B-21 ensures the blow lands. The F-47 ensures no one can stop it. For adversaries, this means there is no safe zone, no sanctuary. The battlefield is everywhere, and America decides when and where it begins. In modern warfare, the first to see is the first to win. The B-21 Raider is designed to be unseen, slipping through radar nets like smoke through fingers. But the F-47 flips the equation. It doesn't just hide, it sees everything. Its sensor fusion combines radar, infrared, and electronic warfare into a single, seamless picture. Imagine a chessboard where one player sees every piece, while the other plays blindfolded. That's the advantage these aircraft bring. In a joint mission, the B-21 maps enemy defenses from the shadows, while the F-47 orchestrates the battle, directing drones and allies with precision. For the enemy, it's a nightmare. They're hunted by ghosts, and the first warning they get is the strike itself. The future of air combat isn't about lone wolves, it's about packs. The F-47 is designed to lead swarms of loyal wingman drones. These unmanned aircraft scout ahead, jam enemy radars, and even strike targets, all under the fighter's command. The B-21 too is built for this future. Its open architecture allows it to act as a stealthy command node, coordinating drones, satellites, and strike packages deep inside enemy territory. Together, they create a web of power, an invisible network where every platform shares data in real time. This isn't just about firepower, it's about creating a system so interconnected that the enemy is overwhelmed before the first shot is fired. While rivals experiment with drone integration, the US is already building it into doctrine. The B-21 and F-47 aren't just aircraft, they're the architects of a battlefield where machines and humans fight as one. So, could the B-21 and F-47 make the U.S. Air Force undefeatable? Consider this. One bomber that can't be tracked, one fighter that commands an invisible army. Together they erase distance, blind defenses, and overwhelm enemies before the first missile is fired. But their greatest weapon isn't firepower, it's deterrence. These aircraft make war too costly to even attempt. For rivals, every plan becomes a gamble, every move a risk. While other nations race to catch up, America is already flying into the next generation. The question isn't whether these aircraft can dominate, it's how long it will take for anyone else to even come close. The B-21 and F-47 aren't just the future of air power. They're the reason the skies may remain firmly in American hands for decades to come. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the B-21 Raider and the F-47 fighter, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the future of air combat. We'll continue exploring the world's most advanced aircraft, from stealth bombers to sixth-generation fighters, bringing you the insights that matter. But now, we want to hear from you. Do you think the B-21 and F-47 truly make the U.S. Air Force undefeatable, or will rivals eventually close the gap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and join the debate. Your perspective fuels future videos. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, because the next great revolution in air power is already underway.
Thanks for watching.
Join the mission.